Just so we know what we're getting into, I'm going to scroll down, and you see that we have quite a few permissions to go through. Now some of these are grouped together, so they'll be a little quicker to go through, but this is going to take us a couple of minutes. On the left-hand side, we have the permissions, and the permissions are grouped by module. So each one of these bolded headings represents a module. The block module has one permission, administer blocks, and this gives the user permission to move blocks around, to hide blocks, and display blocks. We don't need to give them this permission. We'll go ahead and skip contextual links and dashboard because these are modules we haven't discussed yet. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. Under the date module, we have view repeating dates. We don't have any repeating dates, so we don't need to worry about that. For filter, we haven't talked about the filter module yet, so we'll have to come back to that. We haven't talked about the image module yet either. Under menu, we have administer menus and menu items. And we don't really need to allow the guide to be able to do this, because even though they're adding tour nodes or pieces of content, they won't need to add this to the menu. Okay, let's go ahead and scroll down.